Hey guys, it's Alexis. It's been a little bit since I put anything up, but the reason why I'm going to show you right now. My garage is completely upside down because I'm getting windows installed, and I had to move the whole garage basically out of the windows, away from the windows. So let me show you what this looks like, y'all. Ready? Look at that. It's a hot mess. Let me show you, hold on. So I had to move absolutely everything away from the windows. I still gotta move this shelving over here. This guy, look how ugly that guy is. But it is seriously a hot mess. But they need access to the windows. And yeah, I haven't been able to do any work for 2 weeks because they had to get rescheduled and pushed back. So I wasn't gonna put this back, to move it back for a week later when they come out. So they're coming out this week, but they needed to get in here to change these windows. And I've been waiting for these windows for a year. They've been so backed up with supplies, as you guys know. But yeah, I'm kind of out of commission for a little bit. And yeah, but hold on. But I'm filming on my phone, so don't judge me. But the let me put this up right here. The cool thing about that is that I was able to go on my CAD system, which is SketchUp, by the way, and kind of reorganize the shop on paper at least, and how I'm going to reorganize it. And I'll put a picture of it right here. And as you can see, it's basically I'm putting the workout equipment up against the wall where the shop was and putting the shop up against the right side of the wall. And I measured everything. This is actual to scale, so not to scale, but it's accurate measurements. And yeah, we're gonna do it that way. And that's all I got for you. I'm rambling. God bless you. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, bye.